ये है वो जगह जहाँ आके वापस जाने को दिल नहीं करता।
Narrated Abu Hurairah.
While the Prophet was saying something in a gathering, a Bedouin came and asked him, when would the hour, doomsday, take place? Allah's messenger continued his talk, so some people said that Allah's messenger had heard the question, but did not like what that Bedouin had asked. Some of them said that Allah's messenger had not heard it. When the Prophet finished his speech, he said, "Where is the questioner who inquired about the hour, doomsday?" The Bedouin said, "I am here, O Allah's apostle." Then the Prophet said, "When honesty is lost, then wait for the hour, doomsday." The Bedouin said, "How will that be lost?" The Prophet said, "When the power or authority comes in the hands of unfit persons, then wait for the hour, doomsday."
ये है वो जगह जहाँ आके वापस जाने को दिल नहीं करता। सुभान अल्लाह। ये है वो जगह जहाँ आके वापस जाने नहीं करता। सुभान अल्लाह।